Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see who viewed your Instagram highlights. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up Instagram and just go ahead over to your profile and tap on your highlight right here. Okay, so for example, this one. Now, while the highlight is playing, tap the activity section or button at the bottom, and you'll be able to see a list right here. All right. You could also see insights and a total view count, a complete list of the usernames who view the specific clip or highlights will be listed in here. Now, in this section, you can see exactly who viewed your Instagram highlights, but only for 48 hours after the original story was first posted. Again, once the 48-hour window closes, Instagram permanently hides the names of individual viewers to protect user privacy. And you will only be able to see the total view count, not the names. And that is, of course, after the, again, 48-hour window. And I hope that's clear. So that is how you see who viewed your Instagram highlights. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.